Selling your car in Mississippi? Here's exactly how to sign your title the correct way. This is your Mississippi Certificate of Title, issued by the Mississippi Department of Revenue. You sign it on the back, in the Assignment of Title by Registered Owner section. Before you start, sign in blue or black ink only. No other colors, no pencil or marker. And don't use whiteout or cross anything out. Mistakes can void the title. Step 1. Fill in the buyer's name and full address on the name and address line. Never leave the buyer's name blank to complete later. That's a violation of Mississippi law. Step 2. Write the current mileage in the odometer reading box, whole miles only, no tenths, and check a box only if the mileage is over the odometer's limit or not the actual mileage. Federal law requires this for vehicles less than 20 model years old. Step 3. Sign on the seller's signatures line. Every owner listed on the front of the title has to sign, so if there's more than one name, everyone signs here. Step 4. Print your name on the printed names line and fill in the date of sale. Your printed name should match the name shown on the front of the title. If a lien or bank name is printed on the front of your title, the lien holder must release it before you can transfer ownership. A new lien holder for the buyer is recorded in this block. The one thing Mississippi sellers can't skip, the Mississippi title has no line for the sale price, so the state requires a separate bill of sale to transfer ownership. Fill one out and hand it to the buyer with the signed title. And remember, in Mississippi, your plate stays with you, so take it off before the car leaves.